What's going on YouTube? Welcome back with your boy Chikome. Uh, Back to learning, right? So today we are gonna learn some basic greetings, everyday use greetings. All right. So let's begin. What's your name? It's gonna be Ken Motoka. Ken Motoka. My name is Notoka. Blank. Whatever your name is. Or you could say Nahuatl Notoka, which is they're both correct. They both mean the same thing. It just depends on the region you're in. It's all similar. So when somebody asks you "Ken Motoka," you will respond with "Notoka." Just say your name, like "Notoka Jose," "Notoka Maria." Examples, right? Okay. So good day. It's gonna be Kuali Tonali, and then again it's Kuali Tonali. Good afternoon. It's gonna be Kuali Tiotak. Kuali Tiotak. Good night. Kuali Yowali. Kuali Yowali. Or you could say Makwali Yowali, which means have a very good night. Right? Or right, so next to the next one. Good morning. Right? Good morning. That's gonna be Kuali Tlenesi. Kuali Tlenesi. Kuali Tlenesi. Right? That being said, thank you very much. Like, comment. So that being said, the next one will be numbers, and the next one of that will be like animals, and then colors. Just some things to put into place. That being said, thank you very much. Thank you, family. See you next time.